friends, hope you all are well. Today we are making Fajita Pocket Wrap. So let's see how to make it. We need some chicken here, so cut it into small strips and marinate with salt, black pepper powder, chili powder, give it a good mix. Heat up the pan and add some oil in it. Once oil is heated, put the marinated chicken in it and fry it. Fry it around 70%. Now move the chicken aside and put the onion in the center. On top, add sliced mushrooms, then green pepper, red pepper, and yellow pepper. After that, put black pepper powder, salt to taste, and keep on stirring on high heat. We are going to stir fry all these veggies just for a little while to get rid of this raw flavor. Add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce in it. Give it a good stir for a few seconds. Now turn off the heat and let it cool down. Add 2 tablespoons minus in it when it's cold and mix it all together. Then take 1 tortilla wrap. If you want recipe of tortilla wraps, click on the I button on the top. Put some filling on the wrap. On top, add some cheese and fold it how we are showing here. 1 fold, 2 fold, 3 fold, 4 fold, and 5 fold, and it's all done. Now heat the pan up and place your folded wraps on it. For 2 minutes, keep it on one side. After 2 minutes, turn it on the other side. Instead of pan, you could use a griller as well. Two minutes are done, so let's turn off the heat and check it on the other side. They're perfectly done from both of the sides. So let's cut and check how it is inside. Wow, that looks so delicious. Perfect Fajita Pocket Wraps are ready here, so let's eat them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, give us a big thumbs up, share it in your contacts, and please subscribe our channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.